Test. Is it too windy? I don't know. Let's let it record for a second. Figure out if it's too windy. That's long enough. So, you've gone to the store. There's no potatoes in sight. What do you do? Potatoes should be free. You should be growing potatoes. When you do have potatoes and you see one like this, you shouldn't throw it away. Why? Because that is a potato trying to grow into more potatoes. So this is what we do. So I'm out here in my barbecue area. Boom. Look at that. It's also my front garden. Boom. 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 Don't mind that. We had some rain and that's my car working on cardboard. So you got this funky little thing that was growing in the bottom of your potato bag. What do you do with it? Well, what I like to do with it, since we got two growing spots here. Cut that in half. Now, we got two potential potato plants. So, just so you don't get confused here, because this looks like it could be a big potato when you harvest. There. Now you just plant those bits. And for good measure, you can plant those ones. They might grow something too. This here is my potatoes. These are wild from last year. Again, just planting the scraps. This is what comes up year after year, season after season, harvest after harvest. Potatoes are free. So literally, all you do plop them in and cover them up. And worst comes to worst, they don't do anything. They're still gonna rot and feed the soil. So it's good all around. Then you just water. You water it, and potatoes will grow. It's that simple to grow potatoes. Isn't that right?
Daddy, I took your hat off.
The truth is, if you don't have a big old bucket garden thing like I got there, you can do it in a 5-gallon bucket. You can get any kind of semi-large style bucket, put dirt in it, put potato seeds in it, water it, and you can grow potatoes. That's just one thing. We've become so entirely dependent on other people doing other stuff for us. Look at the situation we're in. We're hundreds of people in line to get in a store to get stuff that we could probably grow ourselves. Even if you lived in an apartment, you can grow lots of this stuff yourselves. So, don't throw that potato out next time. Put it in a bucket and water it. Then you have potatoes. About 10 weeks ish. So another key thing to know is when they grow, they will flower. And after the flowers have died, that's when you want to pick the potatoes. If you like new potatoes, you can wait 4 to 6 weeks after they flowered, and then you get your big baked potato sized potatoes. But try it out.